Hi there, hope you're doing well. So let me share a quick redesign project of eduenglish.com. So here is the old design by them, and so I see that heading section is full with it's out of the box, and this could be nicer, and this section is clumsy, the font size is a little bit big here, and the footer is not looks that much good. So here is the redesign part. I want them to reorganize or redesign the menu, but they're happy with their current one. So this is the redesign, and see that how it looks. I converted this section to this with a nice box shadow, and the pricing section is a lot more nicer. See this one and this one, it's more engaging, and the padding and everything fixed. The downloadable section, this section is text should be smaller, so I did that, and the video should be in focus. So this is the whole redesign, and here's the footer. Thank you so much.